Hello friends, welcome to our channel Capsule Concepts Inside. This is Naveen, and today in this video friends, most of the BPharm students are thinking like this: what is the salary structure we are going to being offered in various pharma companies after completing B Pharmacy, whether go to pharma industry or we should go to the IT industry, that is pharmacovigilance. Or so today, in order to give you an idea, so let us talk about the basic salary structures which are offered by, the starting freshers package offered by various pharma companies. That is because there are different type of pharma companies are available, and depending upon the type of pharma company, the salary structure is going to be varied. So today we are going to discuss in general the salary structure of most of the pharma companies which are going to offer for BPharm candidates. So don't wait and let's get into today's video. And thank you for watching this video. Dhanyavad, of course. So let's get into the main topic. So before that, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and also give a like to this video. It will encourage me to do more videos for you. So coming to today's topic, salary, which is an important aspect of every profession. If we are having work satisfaction, but if we don't have salary satisfaction, it is nothing of no use, because if we love the work, salary doesn't matter. But most of the people says, but at present living conditions, we need a good salary in order to have a good life. So in order to get a good salary, so we must work hard to get the best package available in pharma industry. So coming to today's topic, guys, there are three type of pharma industries: non-US FDA approved, non-US FDA not approved. These are not, they don't have US FDA approval. And the second pharma companies are US FDA approved, and they are of two types: US FDA approved Indian pharma companies, and the other one is US FDA approved foreign MNC company. So by this time you have the basic idea that there are three types of pharma industry: non-US FDA approved or local pharma companies. This means these are non-MNC companies. You all know about MNC, multinational companies. So the second thing is US FDA approved Indian MNC. It is the company main headquarters is in India, so that is Indian MNC, and the company is also having its presence in foreign pharma companies. And the third thing, which is foreign pharma companies which are having presence in our India. So these three type of pharma companies are going to offer different salary packages which are available in pharma industry. So let's talk about it. Let us start with the highest, then we will go to the lowest. So coming to the highest salary package, which is being offered by US FDA approved MNC companies, which means these are foreign MNC companies. And what is the basic salary they are going to offer? What are you thinking in your mind? It's just comment in the comment box before further proceeding to the video. So I am going to reveal it, that is 16,666 per month, which is a basic salary, which may extend up to 20,000. So the starting salary is, guys, I think you have commented in the comment section, so I will check it out later. So let's talk about it. It is 2 lakhs to 2.8 lakhs. So which is the starting salary which is being offered by US FDA pharma companies, US FDA approved MNC pharma companies which are having presence in India, that is 2 lakhs to 2.8 lakhs. So depending upon your performance, you are going to have a salary in between 2 lakhs to 2.8 lakhs. So this is the basic salary which is offered by an MNC foreign US FDA approved company. So let's talk about the next thing, which is Indian MNC company, which is US FDA approved, and they are going to offer a salary package of 1.5 lakhs per annum to 2.25 lakhs. So this is the salary may range between 1.5 lakhs to 2.25 lakhs. So this is the basic salary which is being offered by Indian MNC companies. And let's talk about the non-MNC companies or non-US FDA approved pharma companies. Generally, we can say local pharma companies. They are going to offer a very low package, that is per month you are going to get only 8,333 or 9,000 or 8 to in between 8 to 10. So what is the package? I mean the annual package. You can calculate open your calculator and calculate that. So but okay, you don't need to stress that much. I will reveal it. It is around 1 lakh to 1.25 lakhs. So this is the salary which is being offered by non-US FDA approved pharma companies in India. So that is all, guys. This is the basic salary which is being offered by pharma companies. So why the salary package is very low? So in order to know why the pharma companies are giving such a low salary packages when compared to IT jobs or the pharmacovigilance jobs, so if you want to know, please watch our next video that is being uploaded in the next day. So do subscribe to our channel in order to get notified why pharma industries are giving such a low salary in the beginning. But definitely, guys, you are going to get a higher salaries and higher work satisfaction after attaining some experience in pharma industry. The beginning is hard. Wherever you go, the beginning is always hard, because we need to adjust to the things which are surroundings or the company environment, everything. So beginning is always hard. We need to learn many things in order to go further and improve our performance. So that is all, guys, today in this video. So let's talk about why the salary package is very low in pharma industry in the next video.